Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah, if you can hear me, you can give me a 6 in the chat box. Give me a 6 in the chat box. Come on. I'm not quite sure how many of you are here. Let me check. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Yeah, if you are here, give me a 6 in the chat box. Give me a 6 in the chat box. Yeah, let me check. Okay. If you are here, give me a 6 in the chat box. Everybody, give me a 6 in the chat box. A 6 in the chat box. Yeah, so that I can see everybody. Very good. I see Jason. I see XPTL. Okay. Yeah, I see a lot of you like Linda, Audrey, Nancy. Very nice. Hello, everybody. So are you ready for today's lesson? If you're ready, give me an 8 in the chat box. Come on. I think a lot of you are still joining in. Okay, so I'm going to wait a little bit. Hello, Linda. Yeah, good evening. Okay, good evening. Give me an 8 if you're ready. Make sure you have a piece of paper and also the pencil with you. Come on. Yeah, give me a 6 if you're totally ready. Oh, give me an 8, sorry. Give me an 8 if you're totally ready. Yeah, I see a lot of you like bit by bit. Jamie. And then we have Zhe Yang Yu. And then we have for Dizzy. And then Tammy, I don't know how to pronounce the name, sorry. Okay, and also Jason, yes, okay, very nice. Yes, a lot of you are telling me an 8, very good. Yeah. So first of all, welcome to today's lesson. It's about making round numbers. And hopefully all of you are preparing the STACC in calculation, right? So without further ado, everybody, do you know who I am? Okay, a very brief introduction. So my Chinese name is Hua Jingchen. You can also call me Jimu. And of course, you can call me Jimson. And if you follow my little rap book, the little short video, I actually have the name, remember? Hello, this is Math Jim here, remember? So you can actually call me Math Jim as well. Yeah, I think I got a new name, okay, Math Jim. So hello, everybody. And very quick guess. Here, which of the following is not correct? A is, I have been teaching for no more than 10 years. And B, I can speak English, Mandarin, and also Cantonese. Which one is false? Choose A or B. Give me an A or B in the chat box. Which one is not correct? Yeah, I see Eddie here, Yuren here, good. Yeah. And okay, yeah, Simon here. Okay, Nicholas. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. So come on, everybody, which one is not correct? Which one is not correct? Very good, okay. Somebody said B. Actually, not B. Okay. Okay, not B, not B. Actually, A is not correct, everybody. Okay. I've been teaching for more than 10 years. Okay, this is my 13th year. And actually, I can speak English. Now I'm speaking English. I can speak Mandarin. 我肯定会说中文. And also, I can speak Cantonese, okay? Because I was born in Guangzhou, that's why I can also speak Cantonese. Okay, 大家好，我係霍錦森，大家可以叫我積木。Okay, 今日好開心見到大家。So this is something about me. And let's move on, okay? More about me, actually a formal introduction. Like I said, I've been teaching for more than 10 years, okay? And I have been teaching a lot of students, over 10,000. And also I'm in charge of online classes. And by the way, the updated news, I've cultivated students with full score in STACC. That's the one previously, last year in Malaysia. And now this year, like I also had a student with full score in SNKC P1, level 1, okay? So this is something about me. And now let's continue. And I have some keywords. But for those who know me already, so I think it's not hard for you, right? So for coffee and photo, do you know why I have coffee and photo here? Do you think I love coffee and photo? Of course, yes, right? So I'm going to show you some of the pictures I took. Do you think they are beautiful? I didn't change any of the photos. Next time, maybe I will change. Maybe tomorrow, I can change some of the photos here. Okay? Yes, of course. Thank you. Yeah, I see some of you type yes in the chat box. Yeah. So now, today we're going to have, ta-da, the Gem Challenge. So for the upcoming 3 days, including today, we're going to unlock a lot of different gems. Okay. So once you finish some of the challenges, you can unlock the gems. So you see we have 5 gems altogether. So now let's move on with the first challenge. Let's do a warm-up. So I need everybody keep focused and tell me the answer. The first one, what is 10 plus 5? Yeah, just shout out your answer. Okay, it will be 15, okay? And what about 7 plus 8? Again, 15. Very good. Shout out your answer. You don't need to take down any notes. The second one, what is 8 plus 20? Yeah, 28. And what is the next one? 14 plus 14. Also 28. Okay, and what about the next one? 50 plus 9. Very good, 59. And what about the next one? 38 plus 30, 28 plus 31. It may take a little bit time, right? So the answer is also 59. So in here, everybody think about it. Which makes calculation easier? Can you give me the choice here? A, B, C. You think about it. Maybe you need to give me the correct answer here. Yeah. For this one, I'm going to give you some time. A, B, C. What makes calculation easier? You think about it. You think about it. Is it A, B, or C? Come on, everybody. Yeah, a lot of you already know, especially for those who already study in Think Academy, I think you already know the answer. Of course, it's A here. 10 can make calculation easier. So you see here, we have 2 groups. Okay, type a number. 1 and 2, which group is easier? Group number 1 and group number 2. Yeah, of course, it will be group number 1. Because you see a lot of number with about 10. The first one, you have 10. The second one, you don't have a 10, but you have a 20. Okay? And the last one, you have a number 50. So even though it's not a 10, it ends with a 0. So when we have numbers ending with a 0, like the 10, 20, 30, so we all call them round numbers. Okay, can you type any more round numbers in the chat box and let me know? What are the round numbers? Can you tell me? Yeah, round numbers. Come on, any other more round numbers? Yeah, I see a lot of you type group 1. Yes, of course, we have round numbers here. Can you tell me any other more round numbers? Yes, 60, thank you. Yeah, Scarlett, 30, thank you. And then what else? Yeah, actually we have a lot. As long as it's ending with 0. Okay? So now follow this in mind. How can we make 10? A very easy question. I think everybody understands that. So I'm not going to give you a lot of time. So if you have 1, so you may have a 9. Together, everybody, what about 2? 2 and 8. Yeah, just shout out your answer. Yeah. And then 3 and 7. What about 4? 4 and 6. And what about 5? 5 and 5. So you see here we have 5 good friend pairs to make a 10. So next time when you do addition, what can you find to make it faster? Very good, the good friend pairs. So always remember that, okay, to make the round number 10 in here. Yeah. So now, remember? What do we need to find? Everybody shout out your answer. Okay, find the good friend pairs. That's it. So in here, you have 9 plus 6 plus 1. So which 2 number do we do first? Everybody. Yeah, can you find any good friend pairs? You can type it in the chat box and let me know. Come on, type it in the chat box and let me know. Yeah, I think it's easy, yeah. So we can have 9 and 1, making a 10. And after that, don't forget here we have a 6. So you see the answer is 10 plus 6 equal 16. So that's how we do it faster. So after that, yeah, I see a lot of you get the answer 16 already. Yeah. So after that, let's take a look in here. The first one. So you see, here we have 19 plus 6 plus 11. Any two number making a round number? Any good friend pairs here? Yeah, I think you may notice that. Here we have 19 and, can you type it in the chat box? 19 and, very good, 11. Okay, and is it 20? Yes or no? Is it a 20? No. So make sure you understand this. Here we have 1 and 9, it's a 10. But here you already have a 10 in 19, a 10 and 11, so it will be 2 10s. Together with the 10 from 1 and 9, actually it's a 30. So the answer for this one, 30 plus 6 equal 36. Ta-da, we get this. What about the second one? The second one, I give you some time, everybody. Yeah. 11 plus 19. What's the answer? Actually, you find the good friend pairs. Yeah, I just tell you directly, by the way. Yeah. So in here, we have another 30. So can you find any other pair of good friends? Yeah. I give you some time. And tell me the answer in the chat box. Okay, can you find any other good friend pairs? And type it in the chat box. Okay, somebody still calculating. Yeah, somebody already get the answer. I can tell from the chat box. Very good. We have OO, Linda. Yeah, Bluso and Scarlett. You find another good friend pair, so you can continue. Yeah, very good, Camilla. And also we have Holy Leo. And then Fang Zhou, good. And then Hui Yu Chen, Jason, bit by bit, really nice. So you see in here, we can have another pair. 16 and 14, here it's another 30. But don't forget, we still have an 8 in here. So we have 30, that is 60, plus 8 here, it will be 68. Okay, 68. Is that clear? So after that, can you try this too by yourself? Yeah, maybe I give you 2 minutes. Yeah, I think I can give you 2 minutes. Think about it by yourself. And if you already have that on the paper, you can do it directly on the paper. Find the good friend pairs. Also, pay attention to the regrouping, if there is any. Yeah, somebody already finished the first one. Continue, you have 2. The second one, we have 5 numbers. But at the same time, I hope you can do it faster by finding out the good friend pairs. We have Jason and then Neil. Yeah, and then bit by bit. Good job. And also, yeah, Andre, you're done. Yeah, you can type your answer in the chat box. Yeah, Camilla, yeah, good. Scarlett, good. Yeah, okay. A lot of you give me the correct answer, like Linda and OO. And then we have Fong Wei. Oh, Fong Wei, pay attention, okay. Yeah, a little mistake here. And then we have Fang Zhou. Yeah, Fang Yang, okay. Fang Yang, very good. So time is up, everybody. Let's take a look. The first one, do we have good friend pairs? Of course. 28 and 12. make sure you have the extra, the carry over. So here we have 40, okay? And don't forget the plus 7 in the middle, so it will be 47. And the second one, here we have 2 pairs of good friends. 16 and 24 here making a 40, right? Yeah, also the extra one. And then we can have 19 and 11 making a 30. And don't forget the 7 in the middle. So it will be 30 plus 40, 70, and plus 7. Here we have 77. Okay, good job, everybody. And now, ready for the gems. So type, maybe a number is better, I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one do you want? Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the lucky draw time. Hopefully everybody is lucky today. Yeah, which one do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type it in the chat box. Come on, come on, come on. 1, okay. Any others? Only 1? Okay, I see 3. 3 or 1? 1 or 3? Yeah, somebody said 5. 1, 3, 5. Which one? 3. Okay, that's the purple then. Let's take a look at the purple. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Everybody, clap your hands. Because I think all of you did a very good job. So clap for yourself. Come on, everybody. Are you clapping your hands? Okay, that's nice. So now let's move on to the second challenge. So just now we do addition. What about in subtraction? So now in subtraction, what happened here? Just shout out your answer. Don't need to write it down. 13 minus 3 equal 10. And the next one, 13 minus 6 equal, somebody may think about it. It's a 7. And then the next one, 18 minus 8 equal 10. And what about the next one? We have 18 minus 9 equal, somebody may think, actually it's a 9. Yeah, make sure you also get it correctly. Because this is number within 20, everybody. In P1, you should be more familiar with numbers within 20. Yeah. And then 24 minus 4, yeah, it will be 20. And the last one, 24 minus 5. Oh, somebody are thinking, oh, okay. Actually, it's 19. So again, which one is faster? Is easier? Group number 1 or group number 2? Which one is easier, everybody? Yeah, of course, you don't need to type it. I already know your answer. It's 1, right? But again, think about the logic. Why the first group is easier? Can you find anything in the result? 10, 10, 20. Yeah, again, we have the number 10 or maybe 20. Remember the round numbers. But in here, how can we make the round numbers in subtraction? So now, everybody, can you find out the pattern? I give you a little tip. Here we have 13 minus 3, 18 minus 8, 24 minus 4. Look at the ones digit. Are they the same or different? Yeah, I don't think you can, you give me a choice. Give me a choice. Yeah, just shout out the answer. Are the ones digit the same or different? Very good. Of course, they are the same. You see, they are the same. 3 and 3, 8 and 8, 4 and 4, they are the same. So in doing subtraction, how can we make round numbers? We should find out the numbers with the same tail. You know tail? So let's suppose the 13 is an animal, okay? So it's an animal. Let's say maybe a cat. Okay, maybe a cat. This is a cat. Okay, like the 3 here is a tail, okay? Yeah, it's a tail, okay? And when you minus 3, so you need to take away the tail, right? So that you know, oh, it's a little bit cruel, okay? Don't cry. Is there anybody crying now? It's like we take away the tail, no tail anymore. So it will be a 0 in the end, right? So in doing subtraction, we just find the number with the same tail. So actually the same tail is the same ones digit. Okay, so the same tail actually means the same ones digit. We just find out the number with the same ones digit, and then we can cancel them out because we can make 0. Is that clear? So now let's have a try. Okay, yeah, one more tip here. One more question. In subtraction, what do we find? Remember? Any idea? Find out the same what? Yeah, you can share this with your parents around you. Very good. Find the numbers with the same tail or maybe the same ones digit. Okay. So similarly, take a look here. 19 plus 6 minus 9. Do we have any good friend pairs? No, right? And can you find any same tail? Yes. Here we have 19 minus 9. And here we get a 10. And don't forget the 6 in the middle. So in here you have 16. Yeah, so with this in mind, everybody take out a piece of paper. I think it's time for you to try together. So the first one. Here we have 19 minus 9 plus 11. Oh, somebody may think, Jimson, I know already. Here it's 9 and 11. It's a 20. Okay, and then I do minus. Can we do like this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Uh-oh, no. Pay attention, everybody. Here we need to find out the sign in front of the number. Before 9, what do we have? It's minus. Okay? So you cannot add 9 and 11 together like that because here it's a minus. Okay, pay attention. So now, what can we do then? Very good. I think you already know. Because we can find this number with the same tail, 19 and 9 here, and we get a 10, and plus 11, and here we have 21 for the first one. What about the second one? Can you find any number with the same tail, everybody? Yes, of course. Here we have 11 and minus 1. Here we get 10. Can you find the other pair? If yes, so could you please continue? Could you please continue? And give me the correct answer in the chat box. Let me check. What's the answer for the second one? Yeah, for the second one. Yeah, a lot of you give me the feedback. That will be great. But I'm asking the second one already. Yeah, very good, Fang Zhou. Yes. Okay, for Didi. Yeah, think about it. It's close. Very good, Linda and ZZ, and also okay, Xiao Yifan. Good job. Yeah. What about Qian Yao? Okay. A lot of you are correct. Yes. So you see, the second pair will be 19 minus 9. In here, you get another 10. But is it 20 for the answer? Yes or no? No, because don't forget the 8 here in the middle. So it will be 10 and 10, 20, plus 8. Here the answer is 28. Yeah, so make sure you count every number. So after this, can you try it by yourself? Again, I give you 2 minutes in here. 18 plus 27 minus 8. The second one, I make a star here because it's easy to make a mistake. 26 plus 8 plus 39 minus 6 minus 29. That will be a big number. 2 minutes as well, everybody. Yeah, if you already print it out, you can do it on the paper. Okay. So some of you already find out the answer. Yeah, move on. You need to finish 2. Okay, there's still 1 minute. Yeah, I think a lot of you are correct. Yeah, I'm going to end the timer. Very good, yes. Okay. So I'm going to stop the timer because all of you did a really nice job. Yeah. So for the first one, you have the number with the same tail, right? Yeah, of course you can also call them brother numbers, right? 18 and 8, right? Brother numbers, yeah. So here we have 18 minus 8, here we get 10. And don't forget here we have plus 27, so here we have 37. And what about the second one? We have two pairs of the number with the same tail. One is 26 minus 6, here we get 20. And the other pair of brother numbers as well, right? 39 minus 29. Pay attention, here it's a 10. So is it 30? No, don't forget the 8 here. Yeah, so we have 10, 20, 30, and 8, 38. Okay, a lot of you are correct, good job. So everybody, let's take a look. Here, we still have the last challenge. Okay, for the sake of the time, we finish the last challenge and then we choose 2 diamonds together. Okay, yeah. So let's take a look. What about here? Wow, this one I think it's a little bit too hard. 9 plus 19 plus 29 plus 3. So if you look at it, maybe you think about doing it from left to right, but I think it's a very slow process, right? It's really slow. So do you have a faster way? Think about it, observe the numbers. Are there any number closer to the round numbers? Remember, because we already know round numbers can make it easier. Yeah, shout out the numbers that are close to round numbers. Okay, you may think about 9, 19, and 29. And what round numbers do you think about? For 9, yeah, it's close to 10. 19, close to 20. 29, close to 30. So what do you need if you make round numbers? Yeah, so for 9, you need a 1. For 19, you need a 1 to make 20. And for 29, you also need a 1. How can we get the ones here? Which number can we use? Everybody, type it in the chat box. Which number can we use to make the 1 for the 3 9s? Yeah, I think you can observe it. We don't need any other number. We just need the number in here in the equation. What number do we need? Very good, lots of you type it. Okay, Xiaomi, Linda, Fei, Andre, ZZ, very good. Okay, yeah, you need number 3. You need the help of number 3. So how can we use that? So can we try to split it? 3 here means how many ones are there? Yeah, 3 ones, right? So in here we can split the 3 into 3 ones, right? So if we split it, we can have 1 plus 1 plus 1. So after that, do you know how to do it now? Yeah, we just try to make good friend pairs, right? 9 and 1, here we make a 10. Okay? Yeah, and the other one, okay, I don't draw bridges. It's a little bit messy here. 9 and 1, here we have a 10. Okay? And then 19, another one, here we have a 10. Okay? And the last one, here, the 29 and the 1, here we have 30. So you see what do we have here? Yeah. Here, 20, the second one is 20, yeah. Don't act like me, okay? Be careful every time. 19 here, we actually have a 20. So after that, what do we have? Yeah, we have 10 plus 20 plus 30. And you see the answer is, very good, it's actually 60. Okay, it's 60 for the answer. Yeah, so that's how we do it. So next time, when you have a lot of big numbers closer to a round number, what can we do? We can try to split the small number and make round numbers with the others. Yeah, so we try splitting the small number to make round numbers. Is that clear, everybody? So now, let's take a look. Remember the tip. Split the number and then we can make round numbers. Yeah, so let's take a look at the last one here. So the first, here we have 19 plus 28 plus 3. Yeah, so what do we have here? 19 close to 20, right? And then 28 close to 30. So what do we need? Which number we split? Very good. Split 3 into, do we split it into 3 ones? No. In here, we need a 1 for the 19, but we need a 2 for the 28. So we split it into 1 and 2. So you see the answer. Yeah, can you tell me the answer now? In here, we have 20, right? And then we have 30. Yeah, so if you don't remember, you can write it down. Okay, 20 here and plus 30. So you see the answer is actually 50. Okay, yeah. So what about the last one here? 29 plus 19 plus 39 plus 5. So you see, which number are we going to split? Yeah, very good. So I think you already know. Yeah, we split number 5. So what numbers do we split it into? We need to split into 1 to give it to 29, and 1 to give it to 19, and also 1 to 39. So is it the end? Yeah, I just need 3 ones, and that's it. So I know the answer. It will be 30 plus 20 plus 40, and then the answer is 90. Is it correct, everybody? Yeah. Oh, already I saw some correct answers, like 40Z. Yeah, okay. And also I see like many, okay. Yeah, give me the, Susin. Yeah, give me the correct answer already. Yeah. So actually it's wrong. Why? Why it's wrong? For 5, actually, we split into 3 ones, but don't forget we still have a 2 left. Right, that will be 5 together. So you see, actually, when we make the round numbers, we still need a 2, right, in the end. So you see, what's the answer? The answer is actually, yeah, 92. Okay, in here we have 92. So that's it here for Explorer 3. So the last one, can you have a try by yourself? Yeah, by yourself, okay? So in this part, I also give you 2 minutes. Yeah, because later, P2 also have the live stream, so I cannot delay the class a long time. So the last 2 minutes, here. And if you know the answer already, type it in the chat box. Think about what number we split, okay, and what numbers we split it into. And of course, don't calculate wrong. Yeah, for the first one, a lot of you get the correct answer. But what about the second one? Yeah, okay, not sure, so you can continue thinking about it, never mind. Because actually I'm doing it a little bit faster. Yeah, take your time. Yeah, so I already see a lot of correct answers. So I'm going to stop the timer, everybody. Yeah, so for the first one, we split the 4. And what number we split it into? We split it into 1 to give it to 19, and we split it into a 3, give it to 27. So you see here we have 20 plus, here we have 30, and then we get 50. Okay, but what about the second one? Here we split 6, and what number do we split it into? 1 for 39, okay, and then 2 for 28, and then 1 for 19, but don't forget, here we still have 2 left. So you see the answer is 40 plus 30 plus 20, but don't forget we still have a 2 left. So altogether it will be, yeah, another 92. Yeah, another 92 here. Okay, so that's it for today, everybody. Yeah, let's sum up a little bit one more. Yeah, before we have the candy bomb. Yeah, we sum up a little bit one more. Remember the logic here? So in addition, what can you do? Yeah, find good friend pairs, right? Okay. And in subtraction, what can you find? Find the same tail, right? Or maybe the brother's number. And the last one, here when you have some number very big but close to round numbers, and together you see a small number, so we can split the small number. And that's it here for today, everybody. Yeah. So finally, come on, everybody. Choose two diamond. Two diamond. Yeah, why I don't have the number here? Yeah, give me the number. Just now you don't have 3. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Which one do you want? Give me 2 numbers. Yeah, I already see somebody type 1. Yeah, 1. So no 1. And one more? Okay, maybe 4. Okay, that will be a 4. So let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to give you a heart, everybody. Get ready to receive Jimson's heart. I'm going to give you a big heart. But don't screenshot, okay? Don't show it to your parents, okay? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, yeah, that's it. And the second one, look at the green one. Okay, you are going to clap hands one more time. Come on, give yourself applause. Really nice job. Yeah, so that's the end here for today, everybody. It will be a little bit fast, so everybody, if you still have some questions, it's okay. So take it slowly. You can do the question one more time with the practice, okay? And we see you next time, tomorrow at the same time. Oh, tomorrow, by the way, tomorrow is 6:50, sorry. 6:40, yeah. So make sure be a little bit earlier tomorrow, yeah. And everybody, see you then. Okay, enjoy the night. Bye-bye. Type an 8 in the chat box and say goodbye to me. Yeah, type an 8 in the chat box and say goodbye to me. Come on. Yeah, bye-bye. Because P2 is going to be late. I'm going to end. Yeah, bye-bye. See you. Okay, see you next time. See you tomorrow night. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Yeah. See you, Audrey. Yeah, see you, Manny. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye.